How to go live on Instagram in 2020. Hello Dr. Nikinators. Yes, we need a name and it's Dr. Nikinators. If you have a better idea, comment down below. I hope you're having a great day. Let's learn how to go live on Instagram with all the great features that can help you not just get all of your followers, check your Instagram live out and engage on it, but also that help you bring in new followers that will be converted from just profile visits or live visits. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers on Instagram guide that you can grab in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm because it really helps me out, and subscribe if you're new. Let's get right into it. This is a no BS tutorial. Okay, so we are on Instagram right now, and to go live, just click the story button, click the live function, click the live button, checks your internet connection. Oh, before that, you can even see how many people are live, stuff like that. If you have viewers, you can click go live with and add some people in. You have the filters right here. For example, if you think you look very ugly and you're a 13-year-old, hey, some people are already in, waving back, and woo, you look like Conor McGregor. Do I really? This is actually for a YouTube video. Hello guys, hey pooper enough. And a very good idea when you're doing a live is you can obviously use some filters, again, if you're a 13-year-old, but I actually like this one. A better way to actually engage an audience isn't to just comment questions here like what do you think, A or B, is to actually ask live questions and then get the answers within the comments. Here we have professional Ruhal that is requesting to join the live. This is one of the options you have, or you can actually click this button right here and add any of these people to the live with you. Also, you can add some images to the live, like my forehead. I've seen people doing like a live webinar with it, just adding some presentation. If you have one, you can create one really easily with Canva. And after the end of the live, we've had 19 people joined. You can download the video, you can share it on IGTV. One of the things you should know is now it doesn't actually go here. So if you want to share it, you actually should download it. If you didn't download it, there's a video, as I said, in the cards above that you can watch to actually do that. Again, if this video helped you out, make sure you like it. If you're new, subscribe. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. And all I want from you is to comment your Instagram username, and again, I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. The shout out winner on this episode is... By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out, please.